County in central Oklahoma, east central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma.
Oh, God, no.
Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Concho, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, southwestern Edmond, El Reno, Newcastle, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, The Village, Tuttle, Piedmont, Nichols Hills, Union City, Minko, Calumet, Cogar, Concho, Forest Park, Woodland Park, and Lake Aluma. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yeah, that thing's not doing very well. Come on, guys.
Severe thunderstorm warning for western Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, northern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, southeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, Payne County in central Oklahoma, eastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles west of Morrison to near Oklahoma City, moving east at 40 miles an hour.
Oh, God, no.
Hazards include 60 miles an hour.
This is going to be a doubleheader.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northeastern Oklahoma City, Edmond, Stillwater, Guthrie, Cushing, Piedmont, Perkins, Jones, Langston, Yale, Luther, Wellston, Morrison, Kearney, Glencoe, Tryon, Ripley, Agra, Coyle, and Arcadia. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for east central Grady County in central Oklahoma, southwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles southwest of Tabler, moving east at 35 miles an hour.
Tabler.
Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation.
Oh,
the following impacts are expected.
no.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Citrusay, Purcell, Slaughterville, Diggle, Wayne, Washington, Cole, Alec, Bradley, Kreiner, Tabler, Nimical, and Payne. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 83 and 101. Interstate 44 between mile markers 81 and 85. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northern Grady, northeastern Caddo, southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland, eastern Canadian, and northwestern McLean counties. At 5:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Yukon, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, southwestern Edmond, El Reno, New Castle, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, The Village, Tuttle, Piedmont, Nichols Hills, Union City, Minko, Kogar, Forest Park, Woodlawn Park, Lake Aluma, and Richland. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported flash flooding in Kingfisher. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, trained spotters reported. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include northwestern Oklahoma City, El Reno, Kingfisher, Piedmont, Tennessee, Okarche, Cashin, Calumet, Dover, Loyal, Concho, Omega, and Cedar Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 109 and 123. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Tornado watch number 171 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Payne, and Pottawatomie. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, Luther, Morrison, Kearney, Glencoe, Tryon, Ripley, Agwell, and Arcadia. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Osage and Pawnee counties. At 5:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles southeast of Arkansas City to 2 miles north of Stillwater, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Pawnee, Fairfax, Scheidler, Ralston, Burbank, Merrimack, Skidee, Webb City, Alberson. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Oklahoma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Pawnee County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 4 miles north of Morrison, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is... Locations in or near the path include Pawnee, Ralston, Blackburn, D. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Portions of central Oklahoma, east central Oklahoma, northern Oklahoma, and southwest Oklahoma.
I'm gonna mute the tab. Well, I am joined by... Oh, wait. Hold up. I don't think I have my speakers. Have y'all hooked up to the speakers yet? Hold on just a moment. I am now joined by...
The Star Trek podcast.
That was not your fan 725.
Yep, I just caught my very first TLRC.
Nice.
Despite not having a channel for very long. And I think Wednesday is going to be a lot worse.
Oh. And Twister, I'm worrying so bad for you.
Oh shit. I hope to God I will not get canceled for that. Anyways. Oh, it hates me to one being canceled. I mean, actually, I was practically canceled before, so this ain't too surprising. And the fact that I barely have base server online kind of speaks something. I wonder what these guys want. I bet it's probably absolute deviousness.
Yeah, I do tend to deviousness too.
Damn hams. Anybody?
Daddy family.
For a possible SBR for Tulsa.
Oh. Wait a minute. That one I could get that one. Springdale.
Onset, ongoing. Severe thunderstorm. Risk, critical. Area, eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Onset, ongoing. Area at
Expired
northeast Oklahoma and
was the
northwest
best in Arkansas.
Flash flood. Risk, limited.
Oh, jeez.
Area, northeast Oklahoma and far northwest Arkansas.
No.
Onset, this evening. Heavy rain. Risk, elevated. Area, eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas.
Actually, it needs to be Arkansas.
Significant winds. Risk, limited. Area, eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas.
It's so weird that how it's pronounced is not actually how it's...
Scattered strong thunderstorms will be possible across southeast Oklahoma and western Arkansas over the next few hours near and south of a warm front rate across the area. The threat of more widespread severe thunderstorms will increase over the next couple of hours as storms move into the region from the west.
I'm not going to get that one.
A line of storms will move into northeastern.
Yeah, I'm not going to get that one. And I wonder who freaking joined. Oh, hey.
Hey, it's Ohio. It's the bitch from Ohio.
Huh, more like the bitch from Cleveland, I mean, what? Of course, I am messing with her. Like always.
I say tomorrow. I say tomorrow. What?
Like when Danny Hamlin getting beaten by his own wheel coming up the road. I mean,
Ooh,
what?
I have an idea. Danny Hamlin is tomorrow. I mean, what?
What?
Yes, Danny Hamlin is tomorrow. I mean, what?
William Byron gets beaten by his own wheel. I mean, what?
Oh, God, no.
What's next? Bubba Wallace gets sponsored by the G Major Shakes Lion.
Is it Bubba Wallace is beaten by his own wheel? I mean, what?
Bruh.
Don't worry, it's just my
Bubba
dinner.
Wallace did lose a wheel, though, but didn't get beaten by it, though, coming out of pit road.
I wish that happened to Joey Logano. No offense to Thunderbird 01, no.
I really need to use my NASCAR roleplay channel on my server, but I don't know how I can use it.
Yeah, see, my NASCAR roleplay channels have been relatively empty.
It's like no one wants to use them for some reason. And my friend helped me organize my server. So yeah, thanks to her for that.
And thanks to these beans.
What does Norman want?
Toward the crap. No!
Correct severe thunderstorm warning.
Uh-oh, can you hear the credits? Because I hate the credits. Let me rewind it. No.
Correct Caddo.
Oh,
Tulsa continues tornado warning.
It's now observed. It's no longer observed, though. Thank God.
Yeah, if I dissipated, but still on radar.
You're right about that one, Josh. It's probably still circulation.
Yeah, but it's on radar.
You're right about that one, John.
Because all the TORs that I've been in, they were all by radar, not observed.
Same here. Well, except maybe one time. I had an early morning tornado warning one time before I joined the AAS community. I got waken up at 3 to 4 in the damn morning by my parents to go to the storm shelter. Well, it turns out it was a confirmed tornado just near freaking Dale, which is very near my location. Oh.
What is it? Well, woken up by the Wheelings?
Hold up.
Oh.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Grady County in central Oklahoma, southern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Potawatomi County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northwest of Luther to near Oklahoma City to 3 miles east of Lake Chickasha, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Norman, Edmond, Moore, Midwest City, Shawnee, Del City, Chickasha, Newcastle, Blanchard, Purcell, Chandler, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, Choctaw, War Acres, The Village, Noble, and Tuttle. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Oh, sweet Jesus. Ah, come on. Come on, speaker.
TOR possible. It's
You-
weird. It said it had a tornado possible wording, but damage stress didn't even have it on IAM bot.
Sometimes it happens with IWX and CLE. 'Cause sometimes they won't put the text of the tornado possible in the actual wording of the text, but they'll put it on the, like, you know. I literally need to stop. Yeah. Too fucking early for this shit. And we just lost Wi-Fi. Yay, shit Wi-Fi again. Yep, going back in. There we go. And there we go. As my shitty Wi-Fi took over again. What's just Wi-Fi altogether? Fun.
Oh, what?
What?
Another one.
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Payne County in central Oklahoma until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ripley, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Cushing, Perkins, and Ripley. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Whoa, 2 different calls at once. I love this. I love Discord. I can be in 2 calls at once. This is nice. Ooh,
That's it.
that's very cute.
Yeah, same thing with me.
I am right now on one call, but because I don't have another voice chat right now, and I'm using my phone to film. Ain't that great? To film alerts, and then I decided to just put the voice chat in here, because why the fuck not? Y'all get to watch this, y'all get to be filmed in this pure Pure fucking insanity. And Misty just like,
Even though that ain't belong to play.
looks like, looks like the Northern Ohio bitch just freaking just ghosted. Wait a minute.
She says she had Wi-Fi issues.
Go fucking figure. Actually, I'm gonna put my phone down for... Let me go ahead and do something here. Sorry about that, I had to message somebody. And hopefully we might get Wilmington, Ohio Productions in here. Oh, let's go ahead and just pull down my blinds. Come on, pull down.
Why do you want to pull down your blind?
I meant pull up my blinds. But
I thought you said you were going to pull them down.
Let's see what the whole show wants.
gosh dang it, Landon.
What did Landon do?
The butchering. I saw that.
Oh yeah, because at least there's not a TOE because that. I was like, did you meant to say TORE?
Wait, TOE means 911 outage?
Yep.
Yeah. TOE is a telephone outage. A tornado emergency would be TORE.
Technically it's TOR-E, but I'm not going there.
TOR-E. That's usually how it goes. Like TOR-C for confirmed. So it's like Landon got a
Or TOR-PDS. Oh wait, I have a pun. TOR-PBS. The Public Broadcasting Service.
Nice, pulse. This is an SBR then late. Well, that was earlier, and then area forecast discussion, and now another SBR.
What? Hold up.
Madison and Washington Farm. In northeast Oklahoma, Delaware, and Ottawa. When through Tuesday morning. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Low water crossings may be flooded.
I will go and eat my Italian pasta.
Dash 1 to 2 inches of rain have fallen in parts of the watch area since last night. Additional thunderstorms are expected this evening with localized rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Repeating, a flood watch remains in effect until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties in Arkansas: Benton, Carroll, Madison, and Washington, in the following counties in Oklahoma, Delaware, and Ottawa. The Fayetteville, Arkansas climate summary for this evening as of 4 p.m.
Oh, crap.
22. Today's high temperature was 65 degrees. The normal high is 73.
Wrong station.
Tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Oklahoma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern A tornado warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Payne County.
Oh, God, no.
7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 3 miles east of Ripley, moving east at 35 miles an hour.
Another TRC.
Expected hazards, including damaging tornado and
Hurricane.
quarter-size hail.
Updated, but still.
Emergency management confirmed tornado.
And then updated to a
Will be
C.
dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged. or
What's next? It
destroyed.
gets upgraded to a
Damage roofs,
PDS.
Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage.
And emergency major
Locations
reported
in
tornado.
include Cushing and Ripley. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Here's what's
If
going
you are
on, guys.
outdoors, in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
And I'm definitely going to get some winds. It looks like it's trying to bow out.
6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Osage and Central Pawnee counties. At 6:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Skidee, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
John, imagine going to the wrong damn station, not realizing it, and then missing a SBR.
Oh. RIP.
That happened, but, I mean, it happens all the time in the AES community, so... This is the pictures I screenshotted from Val Castor from KWTB. Credit to this guy. Credit to him. This is what happened earlier before this video even started, because I was in college. Yeah, imagine being in college while this shit was happening. No, I was trying to do my damn paper, but I got distracted by that, so... Imagine tornado warnings.
Wow.
Oh.
And hello, Paradigm.
And now we're joined by the one and only
Ohio Productions.
I think you know the spiel of why I'm filming.
Yeah.
A fuck ton of severe weather, and I got I got my very first TLRC. So far.
What's next? The TORD.
It is a uniform.
TORD is tornado drill.
Oh.
Even though that code doesn't really exist.
Yeah, but I came up with it. So, oh well.
I mean, do you look at the quote? John, you're not slick. You're on freaking camera.
Oh, nice.
Oh, really?
I caught that shit on camera. Well, I'm eating some pasta.
Oh, really?
What's next? I
Oh, yeah,
changed
how about-
my
how about-
profile picture.
Look at that. That's not really
How
good.
about this? Hey, Twister, how about this? There it is.
I'm gonna change my profile picture to the SpongeBob popsicle.
Oh, what the
Oh,
hell,
how about that?
Larson? Larson?
Yeah.
New champion.
Thanks a lot, mate.
What's next? I changed myself to Bubba Wallace.
I got a yellow wheeling.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, that won't last
Yesterday I
very
found a
long.
Swap meet on Saturday.
Oh boy, I can only imagine.
John, guess what I found at a swap meet on Saturday?
I'm gonna guess this is some sort of another WX 500 or 500 WX 100. Oh, WX 100. I'm butchering a lot of model numbers.
What were you trying to say?
WX 150.
No. I found this.
Guys, look. Ooh, an exit sign.
And
Yeah,
it's
I found a second gen OQM.
and it's spit. It wasn't on yet because
And when I got it, the battery tab wasn't even cold.
Aww.
And I already paid $2 for it. And I also did this to AC power light.
I didn't think he changed it to yellow.
And it worked too.
Hello, Lane.
Oh, hey, it's Motivator Guru.
And here's my original one right here.
Oh, this is my little setup.
Oh my. That is what you call... That is what you call a line of radios. And there's one on top of an iPad.
Then here's my
one.
radio right here.
This one hasn't activated yet. I just added that one, but these two, I just kind of cracked that one. That one doesn't really get good reception. But
So all three 996s are on it.
How did you get Oklahoma City? You got it on the app?
Transmitter.
Tijuana.
here we go.
County.
Oh, Christ.
Tornado warning for West Central Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, West Central Potawatomi County in central Oklahoma, West Central McLean County in central Oklahoma until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Goolsby, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southeastern Norman, Purcell, Noble, Slaughterville, Goldsby, Cole, Tribby, Etowah, Brooksville, and Macomb. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 96 and 105. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.